How to master the waves in Portugal, a beginner's guide. Why Portugal is perfect for beginner surfers. 1. Year-round waves. Unlike some surf destinations that are seasonal, Portugal offers great conditions for surfing nearly 365 days a year. 2. There's a big variety of breaks. From gentle beach breaks to more challenging reef breaks, Portugal's diverse coastline caters to all skill levels. 3. Affordable. Compared to other popular European surf destinations, Portugal offers great value for money. 4. You'll find a welcoming community of local and international surfers eager to share their passion. 5. Beautiful surroundings. Beyond the waves, Portugal has stunning landscapes and a vibrant culture. Now that you know a little more about Portugal as a surf destination, here are some essential surfing tips for beginners to help you make the most of your time in the water. Take lessons from a qualified instructor. They'll teach you proper technique, ocean safety, and surf etiquette, all essential for a safe and enjoyable experience. Start with a bigger board. As a beginner, you'll want to start with a longboard or foam board. These are more stable, making it easier to catch waves and stand up. Practice pop-up on land. This will help build muscle memory and make the transition to the water easier. Learn to read the waves. Understanding how waves form and break is crucial for surfing success. Embrace wipeouts. Falling is an inevitable part of learning to surf. Instead of getting frustrated, try to enjoy the process. Stay within your limits. As you progress, it's important to know your limitations. Stick to waves and conditions that match your skill level. See you in the water!